Here's the property in Niseko, 250 million yen. That's 1.6 million USD, 4 bedroom, 4 bath, 218 square meters of building space, 462 square meters total, 10-minute walk from Hirafu Jujigai bus stop. So it is a very large property. This area off to the right of the home is also coming with the land. And this area is getting highly developed very quickly, so prices are not cheap, obviously. And I know this isn't going to be in a lot of people's price range, but it might be fun to come along for this viewing just to see what a $1.5 million property looks like here in Niseko. This property does come with a hotel license, and it can fit up to 3 different stays at one time. So there's 3 different areas that are secluded from each other where people can stay, and the common area in the living room. So the whole place doesn't need to be rented by one group. It can be rented by 3 different groups at the exact same time. It is currently being managed and operated. We had to find a day that there was no occupation so we can come and view. You can see the key off to the left there. Here's one of the rooms. See the bath in front. Large, probably king size total. I think it's 2 doubles that are put together, or 1 queen size. There's several different sizes of beds in this place. And I viewed like 6 different properties on this viewing, so a lot going on in the few days I was there. This was built in 2006, I believe it was. See, this room has its own kitchen. Here's some storage. The fridge as well. Microwave. For sales of these kinds of properties, pretty much everything in the property will be with the purchase. So bed, bedding, TVs, even the management company. Toilets off to the right. It does have a wash machine to the left. Here's the toilet. Doorways were quite high. Everything felt very spacious. To be honest, when you walk into the place, it feels a little small, but once you get into it, and it's just got a very interesting layout, it really opens up as you get into the property. As you'll see later in this video, kind of up, over, down, and around for some of the bedrooms. Has a beautiful view of Mount Yote from the living room, and a big living, dining, hangout area. This is the area that is secluded from guests and is only accessible to management. Just some storage. There's the layout of the place. And going up the stairs to the next room. This is a concrete build. Bedroom off to the left. You see another place for a key. And a third place there. Actually, now that I think about it, that third place, it might be exclusively for renting that area to have the living dining room area. You know, these places do have their own kitchens. The view out the side with the lot that this property does come with. Has 2 floors to this rental side. TV, living room down here, the bedroom up top, along with the bath and the washing machine. Here's the kitchen, the dishwasher. So it's not Airbnb, it does have a hotel license, which means it can be ran freely 365 days a year with no restrictions. The license is actually owned by the management company and would not be owned by the buyer. Some closet space. Here's the bath. Kind of interesting. Most all of the baths that I saw in this area do not have the autofill and auto reheat functions, which kind of struck me as odd. Some of the people living here I talked to said they don't have it in their baths either. Being in a colder climate, especially in the winter, seems like that would be a good thing to have. Looking towards the front of the home. And here is the bedroom. Lots of windows, lots of natural light coming in. So the first 2 areas are single rooms, and then the third would be the double room. There's a wash machine. Here's another washing machine here in the hallway. Again, very high doorways. Up to the left is where the large kitchen and dining room area is. Here is one of the bedrooms. 2 beds in here. You can see Mount Yote off in the distance. Bit cloud covered at the moment, but it was a beautiful day. It was actually my first time in Niseko. I remember I had a job offer a couple years ago in this area, and I was looking at property prices, and they are pretty crazy even for the rental side of things. This area has really blown up in the last 10 years, and property prices are reflecting that. I think that's why Otaru is getting a lot of attention, because it's a couple hours away. Not as good for investment, but if you're looking for a second home, Otaru is a good place to consider if you're wanting to get to the mountains and be in a more affordable range of home prices. Down the hallway at the end is the toilet. And then off to the right downstairs is the second bedroom for this part of the rental. All bookings, of course, would be transferred over, and I believe they said they're pretty much booked out for all of winter. So if somebody did purchase this property and wanted to move forward, it's best to leave the management that is taking care of it in place for now. Here's that second room. Looks like they're in the middle of washing sheets. Small study area, closet. Again, lots of windows, lots of light coming in. And another bath and shower, the fourth one there. Mount Yotei off in the distance. I have several of these caliber of properties that I'll be posting. Again, I know it's not what our typical buyers are looking for, but we do handle budgets of all sizes. And yeah, of course, it's nice to see these kind of properties. Here you can see the toilet is in the shower itself. Same room, kind of more American style. One thing my parents were kind of freaking out about is just how much room you have in the shower. And, the toilets are separated, which is, of course, quite nice. You get used to it if you live in Japan long enough. Here's the stairs up to the large living and dining area. And Mount Yotei off through those curtains. There it is. And yeah, it's very nice place. Niseko is a great place for holidays, so you can imagine your friends and family being in a place like this, enjoying the mountains, coming back, enjoying this very comfortable environment to hang out in during a holiday. So this is more of the dining area. You see the 6 chairs there. And this is a little bit higher off the ground. You have smaller chairs tucked underneath, but a place where you can stand up and be more comfortable on the counter here in the kitchen. Does have the induction heat stove. Larger sink, windows on both sides. Plenty of storage and a dishwasher built in. You can see it seems to be being managed quite well. Everything's very clean and organized. If you're interested in properties like this, this is quite high in budget. There are ones that are even higher, but for half of this, you can also get a nice property. This is kind of higher just because of, I think, the location, the extra bit of land that could potentially be built on. Some developments that are coming up in this area across the street could really even drive the price even higher. Just a quick walk around the outside. Thank you guys so much for taking a trip and a tour on this Niseko property. Got some similar ones coming up. If you have any questions, please do reach out. We are a licensed agent in Japan. We work in all areas with all budgets. Thank you very much. Have a great day.